on my small channel. Today we'll be reviewing KERASTASE Densifique. I will tell you about their ingredients, how to use it, if it actually brings any results, and if it's worth your money. Let's start it. Now I want to share with you the problems I had after pregnancy. I had extreme hair loss. I had a lot of problems with this area. I will show you on pictures here. I had basically holes without hair growth. It looked very bad. I felt so weak about myself, and very often the way we feel about ourselves impacts how we feel about our life, our friends and family, work, and I decided to either accept it or I can do something about it, and I started to do a lot of research about what I can use. I found KERASTASE Densifique as one recommended item. I was like, okay, let's try. I mean, it's a hell of expensive product, but maybe it's good. So I bought it, and then I was using it for 5 months, and I'm coming today with the results. So first of all, if we'll compare the picture to what I have today, I still don't have super full, line covered with baby hair, but I have definitely a lot of new baby hair, and I can just show you that all of those are newly grown, and I didn't have them before. And as you can see, if I would do like this, I have actually quite thick layer of hair on both sides. I really take care of my hair right now, and I can share with you any tips if you want for damaged hair, how to bring them back to life. But focusing on KERASTASE, I want to show you the process, how I use it. Let's dive into it. And this is the result after I blow my hair. And now I want to very quickly go to ingredients and actually some facts about why this product works. In their clinical studies from more than 100 people, they said that 2 out of 3 they feel that they have much thicker and densified hair, which means that it's 66% of the people who use this product in their test, and it also worked for me. We have here few ingredients that are very interesting and worth knowing. First we have water, then we have alcohol denaturate. This is quite strong alcohol, but this is the penetrator. Its job is to penetrate our skin and give the room to all other ingredients to go into the scalp. Then we'll have a lot of sugars and sugar plant derivatives that are moisturizing and hydrating the scalp and also the hair itself. As a third ingredient, we have diethylothidenate. This is the factor that gives this volumizing effect, and it's very high on the list of ingredients, so that's really good. And then we have a lot of substances that are moisturizing and hydrating the scalp. We have derivatives from sugar plants. We have also hydrogenized castor oil. What I don't like in this ingredients list is that we have a lot of perfumes and also fragrance agents quite high on the list, and then quite many important ingredients are below those fragrances. So for example, niacinamide, arginine, vitamin E, tocopherol, those are below the fragrances, and that's a minus. I think there should be, if it's serum, I really don't care how it smells. It doesn't have to have any smell, or it can even smell bad if it works. So for 70 euro, I will just skip all those fragrances and focus really on the hair growth and stimulating the scalp. That's my personal opinion. I do recommend this product. I think it gives the effect. I have to say that I still didn't use all. I have out of 30, I have how many here we have here? We have 7 ampoules to go, so it will take me around 1 month to finish that. The rest of the box is done. I recommend this product. It is expensive. It costs around 70 to 90 euro, depends where you get it, but it lasts for quite some time, so I think worth trying. If you use this product, please share your opinion. If I helped you in this video, give me a thumb up, and you're very welcome to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!